not much, just 1 or 2 drops, get through. Pain blocked, hold it down so deep, make believe it's not true. I lied to myself, then I lied to you. So sorry, although what could I do besides my best? Failed the test, unaware I was even taking. Couldn't even feel my heart when it was breaking into bits. Kids grow up, but we're still dumbstruck by some lottery tickets. Pray not to God, but to good luck. He just gets cursed when it doesn't work out in our favor. It's like we have best friends, but when it comes down to it, I'll see you later. It's so lonely with nobody here. Not that I'm uncontent with my own company, it's just I need somebody here in the flesh to keep me from being inside my head and so depressed. Run around the world, run you must. I know you must, just keep in touch. Each lesson gets viewed as a jack move, kick below the belt, felt no remorse. Do unto others, I've been told, and ain't no one afraid of taking advantage for a living. It kills me to see brains being washed daily. Babies dress slutty, adults goggle, whistle, hey, 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 bragging to his buddy.
And apparently they do that.
That's just the way it goes, I guess. Nuclear warheads go off, we all fall down, hit hard. Pockets full of cigarettes, if we haven't smoked them all yet, it's all the same. I need new words and less pain, more fun that doesn't result in more secrets and lost friendships, more regrets and a heavy head. My salvation lies in your love, it's in your love, it's in your love. I don't need to take no more drugs, don't need no more drugs, no more drugs.
We'll see if that sticks. I don't know if it does or not.